Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Aprilia RSV4 APRC. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Aprilia RSV4 APRC with 11,339 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket muffler, Evotech swing arm spools, aftermarket body panels and front fender, tank pads, bar end mirrors, a tinted windscreen, a rear fender eliminator kit, and aftermarket turn signals. Powered by a 999cc four-cylinder engine, the RSV4 puts 184 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.9-gallon fuel capacity, the RSV4 has a 100 to 120-mile range. It has a 33.3-inch seat height and a 409-pound dry weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this RSV4 will need turn signals with sufficient visibility and a plate light. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds and the rear at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a chip on the edge of the screen, paint blemishes on the side plastics, and paint flanking near the passenger foot peg mount. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.